experiment.
Yeah. What happened when we add the purple cabbage juice?
It will be a new color.
Let's wait and see.
Okay. I am
Mix that.
excited. Now I will put the purple cabbage juice in the water. I am very excited.
Okay, so let's start.
Let's start. Can you see the different colors? This look like dark pink, and this look like light pink, and this look like very dark blue, and this is dark purple. This is Sprite,
Yeah. Oh,
and this is vinegar.
vinegar. Okay. And this one is
Soda.
soda water. Okay. And this
This
simple water.
water.
Yeah. And now you can see the difference.
What happened when I put all this liquid into the cabbage juice? So let's see. I'm excited.
รู้สึกว่าใช่แล้วคุณโอ้
Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe please to my video. Bye bye.